Hmm?
Uno más, por favor.
Yes. Oh, also, I was thinking about buying a controller. The controller, so I can play other games on my PC with the controller. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. Like, for example, Little Nightmares are good to play online.
Where we're going?
Back me have seen a time. This win is ours.
You play that? Or?
Everything is going to be great. At least, that's what I keep telling myself.
Mm-hmm.
Introducing your champion.
Don't worry. I'll make sure you get used as fertilizer in my garden.
Alright, I'm Jump Master. I'll pick the party spot.
You know what game you can buy her to make her angry? Buy her Cuphead.
Didn't you smell me coming? I was upwind and
Cuphead.
Come at the Queen? Yeah,
Cuphead.
it's not miss.
Didn't you smell me coming? I was up.
Something good there.
It's a game.
The leader, that's me. Or not, whatever. I mean, as long as we win.
Extremely, you know, it looks like it's a child's game.
At the ready.
In the reality, it's a hardcore game where you have to try hard jumping and stuff.
Round one.
Huh?
Beginning ring countdown.
Afternoon? Like that.
G here. Alright, lucky us. We're already inside this next ring. Energy ammo here.
It's not much puzzle game. It's just more like jumping. Jumping.
Got ourselves a bandit out there.
Yo, my friend made me to buy a jumping online game.
Be ready.
You know what is jumping? Jump King. Yeah, it's pretty hard though.
Attention.
New kid can scan this area.
In progress.
Sweet. We're already inside the next ring. Eden Arc Star. Fox 3 launching missiles. Eden Arc Star. Arc Star out. Confirmed splash of the whole squad. Got a bandit.
Care package being delivered.
Looks like a care package is coming in. Big things in that.
Champion eliminated.
That's some champion, huh?
I think this guy has slightly small idea how to just a little bit.
Here's your birthday present.
Got materials.
Evo shield here. Level 2.
I'll try what?
I'm trying to understand what you're saying.
I'm speaking to my microphone. That's my wireless headset for earphones. Yeah, but
Yeah,
good honey.
Lots of materials, yeah.
I mean, they're not bad for music, but apparently they suck for calling or stuff. I already got both of these.
why is it so hard to
Got a bandit in my sights.
For what?
Got ourselves
Oh, anyway, I'm just exploring over there.
half the squad's bought the farm. We got this.
Backpack here. Level 1.
New kill leader appointed.
New kill leader. They can have it. My sights. We're not the first ones here. Eyes peeled for bogeys.
So,
Light ammo here.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Nope.
New kill leader, but they haven't won yet.
You can see the station. Yeah, what about it? Yeah, I want.
Round 2. Countdown.
I know what the game is about. I guess
Smells like...
it's no, I don't.
Smell.
It's something like forest, but with the native people in the jungle.
This way down.
Yeah.
Bogey here.
Bam, there
You
goes.
know a game called Outlast?
I'm down. Making contact here.
Recharging shields. Let's check this
Target's right in front of me. You got bamboozled.
No.
I took 2 of you now.
Bogey here.
Gotcha, that.
Protection is a concern. Lol.
What? Alright, Chris, I gotta go sleep.
Alright.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks.
I'll be around whenever you need me. Cool?
Thanks, Abby.
Alright, dude. Anytime.
Bye.
See you at night.
Same.
Dang. Let's see.
Dear Governor DeSantis, I wanted to write and thank you for working so hard for the citizens of Florida.
I realize that the right thing is not always the easy thing.
A governor who says what he is going to do and then does it.
Thank you.
Thank you for keeping Florida free.
Oh my goodness. I got myself a fresh Saradomin brew here because, boom, I hope you're celebrating today. But we have 3 important things to talk about. Number 1, I was wrong and I could be wrong again. And I want to show you something. Number 2, the Fed responded to today's CPI print already, and you got to know about that. Then I want to show you some stocks and trades that you potentially want to pay attention to, which we'll go through towards the end of the video. Let's get right into it. So, look, first, in January when the NASDAQ was at like 353, I said the market probably had 20% more downside. But I made a mistake. I looked at the technicals too heavily and saw a quadruple bounce at about 318 on the NASDAQ and thought, wait a minute, no wage price spiral, which is still true today, and we might be getting that peak inflation in March. We did have that decline that later came in April. We thought, hey, maybe that was a sign of the bottom. And we had a beautiful bear market rally, which really just led to some unfortunate additional downside. Now, the reason I'm saying that I was wrong in identifying the bottom, I identified it too early. 318 was the QQQ bottom that I thought. I kept maybe 20% of my cash aside, but I went in pretty dang close to 318. The truth is, I could be wrong again, and so I want to be held accountable for that and just be honest with you that I'm not going to be perfect with this, okay? Now, the good news, though, is we are now using that 318 level as support. We're sitting at 325 now, and today's CPI number was going to be what either created that 318 as support or resistance again. Clearly, with the CPI print, the way it came in this morning, that's such a beautiful miss. All of the expectations and the qualified economists were wrong again, and inflation comes in outside of expectations, but fortunately to the low side, we have something beautiful, an inflection point. And I have to caution you though, because this has happened before, and this chart might make you sad. Now, on one side, you've got a lot of individuals saying, hey, wait, well, like, this is awesome. That's it, we've hit peak inflation, we're done. No more inflationary concerns, we are going back to the moon. And I really hope that is to be true. But hopium is not an investment strategy. And this is where we have to be honest with ourselves that we've hit peak inflation previously. And that's why this chart here is a little bit disappointing and actually gives credence to a lot of the people who say, wait a minute, real inflation, first of all, is way higher than this report, and that's probably true. But even if we get an inflection in, the CPI inflation, at least it gives us a softer Fed and probably means that even if real inflation is twice as high, even that might be peaking, right? But the sad thing about this particular chart here, folks, is right here, is that we have seen this sort of peak before. See that green dot there? We have been down this road before. That was March, and then we got a decline in April, and then we went higher than March. And then we went even higher the next few months. And so that's why we have to be real here and recognize that, just because we got that March peak over there, and now we've got ourselves another peak over here, which represents June. Now we just got the July numbers, which are thankfully lower over here. Doesn't mean that we can't go higher. Now, one thing that is very different, though, from that March peak is that the March peak coincided with break-even expectations for inflation way high. In fact, take a look at this. See here? These are the March break-even inflation expectations. That's just a fancy way of saying, what does the market think inflation is going to do? And what's so important about this is that this line tends to move 3 months before CPI moves. And that's really important because if we did hit a peak here in March, this was a warning that the actual peak wouldn't really come until 3 months later. later, which ended up taking 4 months, came in July, right? 4 months. So anyway, that's really fascinating. And this decline, which I'm going to move myself here for a moment, this decline is ahead of us, which is really, really exciting that decline in break-evens is ahead of us. And it is a reason to be optimistic, even though 8.5% inflation is still pretty dang high. In fact, take a look at this. This was a reply tweet, and I want to give a shout out to it because it was kind of funny. This reminds me of you. I love you, bro. I love you too, man. March inflation is 8.5%. No! Terrible. And then, of course, August inflation is 8.5%. Let's go! We're going back to the moon! Like, yeah, it kind of is, because the reality is, the answer here, the logic here is that this is the uptrend, and then now we're on the potential beginning of the downtrend. But again, I've told you I've been wrong, and I could be wrong again. Now, I do believe, maybe I'm biased, I probably am, because I'm talking about myself here, I think I've been a lot more right than I've been wrong. For example, I literally to the day timed the bottom of the dollar, shorting the dollar. In fact, here on screen is a post that I posted when the dollar was at the bottom, talking about how I want to get into what I was calling the great dollar short, and how I'm shorting the dollar with options to leverage that a little bit, but not margin, because I hate margin, but that I expect a substantial retracement to the upside in a dollar short position, which would mean the dollar falls, right? This chart you see here is an inverse, right? So as it's going down, the dollar is actually going up. But I am investing expecting the dollar to go down, and therefore this chart to go up. But anyway, there are so many things about our macroeconomy that say right now, this could actually be it. This could be peak inflation. And we could be wrong, 'cause like I said, been wrong before, but we've got energy and commodity prices coming down, and it does look like we are seeing a broadening decline of inflation. This is great. Now, the Fed has responded to this, and I think this is important to look at as well in terms of what kind of response we've already gotten, because it's going to set up more of the responses this market is going to experience from Fed speak over the next month. Because keep in mind, we now have basically a month of freedom to go play in the stock market without having to worry about a stupid inflationary overhang again. And so what the Fed says over the next month will matter. And so here's what the Federal Reserve told us this morning, right after a quick message from our sponsor, and then we'll get into some important picks that I think are critically lagging the market in stocks. Stay tuned for those. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's a terrible idea to buy multivitamins that have a bunch of shady additives that claim they can solve any problem you have. Hate your job? Take this. Your boss will give you a raise, and his wife will even kiss you. It's all BS. But thanks to today's sponsor, Ritual has a transparent and well-researched solution. An extensively researched multivitamin that helps fill the nutritional gaps in a man's diet. They show you every ingredient, every supplier of the Chicago Fed told us that this report is the first positive report we've seen. And he says that, look, we've tightened monetary policy quite a bit, but he does expect that we'll continue to increase rates the rest of the year and into next year in line with the summary of economic projections that the Fed gave us, which is that we should see 3.4% by the end of the year and somewhere around 3.75 to 4% by the end of 2023. This does set up the stage, though, that the Fed might begin to slow down. In fact, Fed Evans goes as far as saying, quote, "I feel like we're in a good place, and we can pivot to being more restrictive if inflation gets out of hand." In other words, as long as we stay on this disinflationary trend, we still have high inflation, don't forget that. It's still a big number, right? But as long as we continue on down this inflection, down this disinflationary trend, the Fed can relax a little bit. And so what's the bond market doing? Which the bond market's been pretty dang good at predicting what the Fed's going to do. The bond market tells us that now we only have a 28% probability of a 75 basis point hike in the September Fed meeting, which is September 21st, relatively still far away, about 5 weeks away. That's down from 52% just a day ago. That means the market has really softened its impression of the Fed continuing to spank us around. And even though Fed Evans says we continue to see supply chain challenges, and in hindsight we should have raised rates 6 months earlier, he actually expects the second half of the year to be quite positive. which is a really interesting note coming from the Federal Reserve that they're not looking at this market as gloomily as they did back in January or really December when they began to have their Fed flip-flop. In fact, take a look at this on screen here. This right here is a video that I made on January 5th, and I wrote, "The Fed just crashed stocks, the worst report yet." And in this report, when you actually go through the report, you will see, and you could look at the most popular timestamps here, you will see the most horrible phraseology from the Fed yet with how bad this report was. It's actually a good lesson to go back and watch that video because it shows you how rough the Fed was and how badly they really had to kick us in the behind to make us realize, oh crap, things are about to be bad. It still took me about 16 days to go, oh man, wait a minute, this is gonna mean something for the portfolio. But holy smokes, when I hear the Fed say in Fed speak, expect the second half to be quite positive, we're finally getting bullishness from the Fed back. Also, Fed's Kashkari just spoke as I've been recording this video. The current updates are that he believes we are far, far away from declaring victory on inflation, which is of course that, because remember, they have to talk inflation down. That's what they do. They move their mouths to push down inflation, right? And he says that he's happier that inflation is surprised to the downside, but it doesn't change the rate path expectancy for him. He instead believes that we're going to get to 3.9% at the end of this year, 4.4% by the end of next year, which is a lot more hawkish than what the market is currently pricing in and could set us up for some more downside. This sort of talking the market down, very, very, very common. So be prepared for that kind of stuff to happen in the stock market. He does say it's much more realistic that we're going to raise rates and then leave them there until inflation is on its way to 2%. So this does mean the Fed is going to continue on their path. So don't hold your breath too terribly much that the Fed is ready to U-turn any minute, because they ain't. And the market so far is taking this commentary from Kashkari in stride, as this commentary is occurring right now as we watch QQQ only slightly rotate to the downside off of highs of the days right now. But I want to take this opportunity to talk about some suggestions that I'm seeing in the market. It's very, very popular for us to get frustrated, and I call this the sort of the rising tide fallacy. It's very, very popular for us to get frustrated when we invest in stocks and then we see everybody else's stocks go up. But one thing that happens psychologically is when everybody else's stocks go up, it actually starts yanking on the stocks that are left behind, and eventually those tend to catapult up, which is pretty remarkable. And it's a psychological phenomenon, but it's also one that's based on valuations, right? If a house in a neighborhood is selling for $400,000 and all of a sudden 5 comps sell for $500, well, houses of that model selling for $400 are probably going to start rubber banding up. And by the way, I think if you're not in real estate yet, you have some massive opportunities coming up for investing in real estate. And this is why, as soon as possible, you should get into the real estate investing courses linked down below. If you bundle that with bundle 1 with the stocks and psychology, you get my trade ideas like the Great Dollar Short or positioning, fundamental analysis, which people really, really seem to love some of the fundamental analysis that we're doing, and I'd love to have you in those. Take a look, for example, at just the little post that I wrote this morning, which relates to this idea of sort of the rubber band. Look at this. So Enphase is up 57% year to date. One of my favorite companies, one though that I do believe has some headwinds coming from real estate. You've got Apple down 8% year to date, Microsoft 14, Amazon 17, Google 17, QQQ 19. But look at what's lagging. You've got Tesla still down 29% year to date and Nvidia down 42%. Personally, I believe both of those could end up being rubber band opportunities that once the bad news is out of the way, the Twitter overhang, the glut of chip supply overhang, once that bad news, the gaming overhang, once that bad news goes out of the way, you end up rubber banding to where these others are. The same is true in reverse for something like Enphase, which in my opinion has run too much is likely to get rubber banded down. It's not in a position that I really want to buy it right now. Though it is very difficult to short in this market, because when you take this sort of basket and the macro economy is driving everything up, even something that fundamentally is overvalued can still go up. And so that is another risk factor. And of course, I encourage you to use the coupon code because, yeah, look, I know the coupon code's expired, but the price goes up over time as we add more value. So you get the best deal when you join early, and any new content for the courses is coming free to those courses. In fact, we've got huge plans for expanding the real estate course to some new topics. That'll be really fun. Updates coming to the property management course, updates coming for more fundamental analysis in the stocks course, which we do every day in the live streams, which I highly encourage you to take advantage of. Those live streams on average get somewhere between 4,000 to 7,000 views every day, and there's a reason they do. It's because there's really good fundamental analysis in there, and even though I might not trade on every single move, there are a lot of lessons that you could learn from them. So, I do also want to shout out that if you haven't yet followed me on Twitter, you can do so and you can get some great responses and commentary like this. See, this morning I wrote, "We're going back to the moon, baby. This is it. I've got my Saradomin brew and we're ready to rock." Of course, the Emperor replied with, "He's going to regret this tweet," to which I replied, "Your mom will." And then, of course, there are responses like this. "The excessive bullishness in terrible macro conditions probably won't work out best. CPI is likely manipulated and real inflation is obviously much higher. The whole rally is a retail trap. At least tell people there's a lot of downside risk." Well, that is what I think I'm doing in this video, is that A, I could be wrong, right? B, I think that there are other downside risks. I'll tell you what the biggest downside risks are right now. The biggest downside risks are the following. A slow decline in CPI, where CPI goes down, but then it like levels off at like 8, and then the Fed's like, okay, I guess we have to hike more to actually get it to go down more, right? So even though CPI could go down, if it goes down too slowly, that's a risk. We could see an earnings recession, and even though Bank of America tells us that even poorer individuals are still spending as much money or still spending more money now than they did last year, we still have spending growth, we could end up having an earnings recession. However, we could see a tale of two cities event here, where some stocks do poorly and others do very, very well. And that is going to be predicated by earnings. But also then we have, like, I think more like edge case scenario danger. Dangers like World War III, right? Taiwan keeps complaining about increasing tensions between China and the worst aggressiveness that we've seen since the 90s. And even Japan is complaining that China is dropping bombs in their exclusive economic zone as training missiles. You know, these are things that increase tensions. But really, I think, if anything, they create an opportunity for buying and being in this market. I've bought more the last few days, and really, I'm a big fan of, at these levels, I'm ready to ride and I'm ready to run with you. So that's very important. Now, I did have one other question that came up, and it was a question about QT. My thoughts on what about a QT? Well, so regarding quantitative tightening, something to know about this is, yes, it can restrict the supply of money that is outstanding, which can reduce pressure, buying pressure on stocks. It could also increase selling pressure on stocks, although a lot of institutions are sitting pretty cash heavy right now. So once we confirm a bottom and that the bear market, that this is not a bear market rally, we would expect more institutional cash to flow in. But QT is really interesting, mostly in my opinion, for keeping the treasury yields high. And high would be like 2.7% on the 10-year or something like that, which does put more downside pressure on the real estate market. So QT, in my opinion, quantitative tightening, is the rolling off of treasury bonds and the selling potentially of mortgage-backed securities. Don't worry if you don't know what any of that means. Basically, QT, in my opinion, is likely to keep treasury yields higher, and I think it has the biggest overhang on real estate, not necessarily the biggest overhang on stocks, which I did spend about 2.5 to 3 hours this morning, again, working on more documents for our attorneys for our Series A that's coming up. Course members will have the first opportunity to invest in the Series A, and if we have any kind of warrants that go along with that first investment, which is like a free call option, which we might end up doing, TBD. This is not a solicitation. This is just sort of teasing what's going on. my life, then course members will get the biggest share of those, or biggest benefit of those. At least that's the expectation of how we're structuring things now. But folks, we're really excited to buy real estate. So you should be buckling up and at least get educated on real estate. Just make sure you stay away from two things, in my opinion. I don't think you directly want to invest in a syndication. Indirectly could be different. You know, if like a company you're investing in, the syndication separately, but you get like the promoter fees, I think that's okay. I am not a big fan of REITs because I like investing in companies that can reinvest cash flow and build wealth even more for the company and shareholders. And I do think the worst thing you could do in this environment either way is flipping. So I would really caution against flipping in this market. Look for good deals, hot, maybe even get into short-term rentals, but remember short-term rentals are a job that take time and work. All right, folks, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you, love you. Goodbye.
When you have auto glass damage, trust SafeLight. In one easy appointment, we can replace your windshield and recalibrate your advanced safety system.
That's great, thanks.
Stay safe with SafeLight. Schedule now.
SafeLight repair, SafeLight replace.
Whatever your table happens to look like, there's one premium spring water that doesn't have to cross an ocean to get to it. Origin, a crisp, refreshing American spring-to-table water.
Molly, what is happening right now? Why are we kissing? What's happening? What are we?
We're capybaras, bro. And our objective is to eat food and explore. Come on, let's get out of our pen. Eat.
Okay, hold on. One second.
Jump over the fence there. Wait, there's another capybara! Swagger! Oh my god, there's another capybara, bro. There's a chicken over here. Oh, I'm sitting on a chair there and I'm wigging out. Oh shit!
Oh shit, Molly, what are you doing? Wait, I can eat shit?
Yeah, eat. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
We're eating.
Oh.
Yummy.
Oh, yummy.
Well,
yummy.
I'm level 1.
Dude, me too. Molly, quick. For everybody who doesn't know, explain what exactly is a capybara.
It's a big rat. It's a big rodent.
And what is the objective of this game?
To eat food and explore. And also there's a chicken over here called Bob we can talk to. Hello, Bob.
Dude, I want to talk to Bob. Hey, yo, what's good, Bob?
Can you collect 10 food for me? Okay, say less, Bob.
Oh, dude, easy, Bob. Dude, they got quests as a capybara, bro. Let's go.
Just eat. All you gotta do is eat 10 times. The capybaras, bro.
Dude, I've never heard you so excited to play a video game.
This is amazing.
Whoa, I already found a secret.
Okay, look, I'm on my last plant. Ready? Okay, Bob, I got the plants.
Bob.
Quest completed.
Bob, I did it.
I'm stuck on the chair. No!
I got you. Yeah.
Wait, I'm level 2 now. Hold on, wait. Can we still talk to Bob? Get your big capybara ass out the way, bitch.
Bro, hold on. I gotta talk to Bob.
It's just 10 food. All you gotta do is just...
It's just 10 food again.
I'm getting him 10 food again. 10 food again, that's alright. I'm just gonna get him 10 more plants.
Oh,
Bob
dude.
the chicken wants 10 plants. Say less, Bob the chicken.
Say less, Bob the chicken.
Say less, Bob the chicken, and then we'll go explore, okay?
Alright, sounds good. We're gonna get all these plants for our boy here.
I love Roblox, man.
Bob. Oh shit. Bob, take my shit. Oh my god, I still have. Oh my god. Help, Molly.
Oh, you're stuck on the chair too. Get down. Get down. Okay.
Apparently,
let's explore over here.
Okay. Apparently, I have to eat more plants.
How am I the size of this door? This is.
You are a big ass cappy. Wait, hold on. Are you a big capybara? Do they grow that big, Molly?
I don't know.
Nuts.
I'm gonna keep eating, bro.
You're gonna keep eating?
I f***ing love plants, bitch.
Quest completed. All right, I did it. All right, now we don't talk to him. All right, let's explore.
Oh, look at all this for a capybara, dude. We can do whatever we want, man.
Dude, the world is our... Holy shit! Yo, these plants give you a lot of level, dude.
Okay, we're just exploring. Just exploring. Capybara. We're excited capybara. What?
What's up there? Look at the top.
We're climbing. What are these plants?
I don't know, but I want to eat them.
No, there's a water slide.
Oh my God,
Sit right here and watch me. Sit right here and watch me.
All right.
Okay.
Show me your moves.
I'm gonna climb up this mountain first.
Dude, I don't know if you're a capybara or a mountain goat, my guy.
Alright, ready?
I'm ready.
Yeet. Yeah! I'm actually sliding. Narity, your turn. Just get in the slide.
All right. I will use my super happy capybara-ness, and I'm gonna slide all the way down. You ready for this shit?
Just get down. Come slide, Narrator.
Sliding! Woo! Yeah! I am sliding down like a slippery nipple.
Oh my god, dude. Let's go swimming.
Dude, I am swimming to my heart's content right now.
We're just happy little capybaras. Happy little capybaras. Damn, all that swimming got me hungry, bro. Let me eat another one of these plants.
One of those plants? I'm about to eat that ass. Come here.
No, when I need to find a soulmate. Wait, what is this? Spiky. Oh, it hurts. Wait, you can die?
You can die as capybaras? What do you mean?
This has to die. Come back here.
Okay, thorny bushes are not good.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna die. I just want to see what you look like when you die.
Thorny bushes are like unshaved pubes. You don't want to touch it.
I'm dying, Narrator.
You're dying?
Yeah, I just want to die.
Oh.
I'm a suicidal capybara. You know how when you die in Roblox, your character like explodes into little Lego pieces?
Yeah. Does your capybara explode?
Okay, here we go.
Right,
55. Okay, I just need a man. Who would have thought suicide would be so difficult?
You know, most people just like jump off a building or something. Like, this is taking forever.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry to be a burden on you.
Freaking capybaras, man. Like turtles.
Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm about to die. 9 health. I'm at 9. Okay, he should be here right now. 1 health. Died.
Whoa. You just keeled over and you just went to sleep and you disappeared. And then you passed out.
First person capybara.
What?
I'm first person capybara.
How are you first person capybara?
You scroll in with the wheel.
Oh shit!
Wait, where are you now?
I spawn. I'm at the spawn.
Oh, look at this little bamboo little hiding place we have. Okay,
so cute.
Let's explore. Let's explore more. Come this way,
dude. I love how entertained you are by this shit, dude.
Do you know the only thing that would make this better is if we could shit.
Dude, if we could shit and attack.
There's a new capybara just joined the server. Let's go greet them.
Oh my god, we need to go greet the new capybara.
Hello? Oh, here he is.
Hello?
Millie the capybara.
Millie the capybara. Hello, Millie.
No, wait, come over here for a second, Narrator. Come over here. Come over here, Narrator.
Oh, okay. What's the plan? here?
I found you a soulmate. Oh, she left!
Oh, just like every woman does. It's hard being a single capybara out here, bro.
Oh, wow, I love this. My favorite sign in the whole map. It just says text here.
Oh, dude, that's what I say to capybara bitches at the club, bro.
There's a fire.
Whoa.
We sit in these chairs?
Dude, roasted capybara?
Oh, I'm in a tent. Can we sleep?
Can
I can go to sleep.
Dude, can I sleep with you? Can I sleep with you in the capybara tent?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, Dad, how you doing?
As long as you stay in your sleeping bag and I'll stay in mine.
No. How about we just make purple in here? How about that?
Nope.
Oh, come on.
And my dad said I can't be a gay capybara. Man, look over here. We're just exploring.
We're just having a good time.
Capybaras. Oh, look at this wall, bro.
Bro, I'm just saying, I'm sure we can find a way over that wall. We're capybaras on a mission, bro.
Oh my god, dude, this map just goes on and on.
It literally does. How big is this map?
Oh my god, Thorn City. Don't touch the thorns, bro. You'll die.
Oh shit. Wait,
look at all these
up there, though?
I don't know. That's what exactly. You get onto it from over here. Come over here.
Okay, Molly, we need to grab that. Oh. How'd you get up there?
I got thorns in my little capybara feet.
Okay. Hold on. Whoa.
He's great.
Oh, Molly.
Ow! He's gonna jump. I made it.
Oh, son of a biscuit.
I made it. It's food. No, it's food.
It's food?
Oh my
son
god,
of a biscuit. Okay, hold on.
It gives you 20 XP every time you eat it.
Hold up.
Damn, this is delicious, Narity. You're gonna come try this, bro.
Bro, I am gonna try that.
Try this.
I'm coming. Hold on a second. Wait.
Help rebuild acid-weakened enamel every time you brush. So what are you brushing with?
Wait, can I make that jump? Can I make that jump?
Jump on the little ones. Jump on the little ones over here.
Oh.
Good boy.
Okay.
I'm just eating, bro. No! Oh, you fell off? Are you in the thorns?
I'm in the thorn. I'm in the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Oh my god. This sure is delicious, whatever this is. These flowers, narrator.
You asshole.
You gotta come and try this shit, bro.
I'm sure I do. I'll be there in a second.
I'm level 4 already.
Are you kidding me right now? Hold on, I'm just gonna do this.
I'm not kidding you, bro. I'm a big capybara.
Yeah.
You made it. Yes, come enjoy.
Yes, dude.
Come and enjoy.
I'm just gonna eat the shit out of this.
We're sitting here on a rock together. Look at the view, man.
Dude, this view is amazing. Nothing but rocks and canyons and eating this strange green, what looks like rock, essentially.
Dude, look how beautiful this is, man.
It's very...
Are you having fun being a capybara?
You know what? I am. I'm having a great time being a capybara, Molly.
What did this sign say?
It says...
Level 10
Level
plus.
10 plus.
Yeah, well, you know, we like to live on the dangerous side.
Yeah,
We're level
like,
5, bitch.
Come on, I'm level 4, man. Come on, it's not...
Oh, what happened?
It pushed us back.
We have to get to level 10 to go
Son
there.
of
Okay.
a bitch.
Let's go back to the spawn and tweet out that we're playing Capybara Simulator and see how many capybaras we can get, okay?
All right, all right.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and see if anyone joins. Oh my god, look at all the people joining!
Holy shit, dude. How many? You literally just tweeted that like 2 seconds ago.
We got so many capybaras! I'm talking to them. Let us go. Be capybaras. Look at all the I fell over.
Let's do this, everyone.
Let's go. Let us be capybara.
Yo,
Look at all the capybaras.
Look at all the capybaras, bro. This is ridiculous.
Hey, Darren, where are you? Okay, Darren, let's go.
I'm having to like zoom all the way out just to see you, bro.
Oh my god, look at them all. Look at all the capybaras.
Whoa, Molly, a town.
Oh, there's a town. Let us go.
Look, let us go.
And raid the town.
Oh, it's literally one house, bro.
What house?
Eat all their food. Eat all their food.
We literally made a capybara cult in Roblox, bro.
Holy shit, dude. This is really reminding me of freaking anything for Papa Milky, dude. What the
I can't get out. First one around the house and back wins. Go. Let's see if they all run. They're all going. They're all going. They're all going.
Dude, this feels like the old days of VR chat when we got a freaking when we got a goose army.
Okay, let's go and explore.
Where are you at, Molly?
I'm through these little dandelion bushes. I don't know what these are called.
Oh shit!
You see these bushes? Just follow the capybaras, bro. There's heaps of capybaras. We're all just walking through the forest, bro.
Dude, I'm telling you right now, this is beautiful. I love looking at all these little tiny mouse-like creatures like Rufus. They look like Rufus from Kim Possible. That's what it is.
This is the entire video. It's just us walking around as capybaras.
I can't believe this is the whole video, bro. Dude, you know, it'd be really bad. Capybara genocide.
Let's take them up to the top of the hill. Make them all jump off.
Yes, yes, let's go.
Look at them all! Look at them all!
Everybody follow the capybaras.
This is so dumb, bro.
Oh my god, I just see an entire army of capybaras. Jesus.
Look at them all, dude. Everyone line up on the edge. Jump. All right, ready? Here we go.
Are we jumping too?
No, not us. We're not jumping. Everyone jump off. Go. Capybara suicide.
Capybara. I don't think some of them get the memo.
Molly says jump off. You didn't say Molly says. Okay, see you later, man.
Later.
I'm scared. Someone said I'm scared. Jump off, bro. They're trying to push each other. Oh, they're fighting to death. Oh, he fell off. Okay.
All right, janitor. It's your time.
Look at him all down there, dude.
Dude, I just Lion King'd his ass.
Look at him all.
Yes, this is what we've been craving. We are gods, Molly.
We are the capybara, and we are going to explore. Oh, dude,
pool party! Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, I'm sinking. Oh my god, I'm sinking. Molly, I'm sinking.
What do you mean?
I'm swimming underground, bro.
Oh my god.
You can swim as a capybara. What the f?
Whoa, this capybara's upside down. What the fuck? This capybara's What the hell did...
My ass is a flotation device, bro. Holy shit, dude. All right, now we're walking towards, through the mountains with our capybara family.
This is fantastic, bro. I like this.
Going through the mountain, really wanting to see all the places that a capybara really likes to be. We're running and running, running.
I want to become level 10 so I can see what this level 10 is all about.
All right.
I'm going back down here to eat. I'm just going to eat until level 10. I got 5 levels to go.
All right, I'm gonna go and eat as well. I'm gonna go to that cool plant that gives you 20 every time.
Oh, I made it. Okay,
all right, and now we eat. Epic rock music. Go, Marcos. Why is Jesus eating my capybara ass right now? Now he's on top of me. I am level 10. I am a level 10 capybara.
Wait, I'm not level 10 yet. Wait a second.
I'm sorry, Molly. I need to make it to the capybara level 10 club.
Which level 10 section are you? I can see you all the way over there. Please come back.
Molly, I'm sorry, but I have to continue this on my own.
You will never survive on your own, man.
I have to scout the head to make sure it's safe for you. I love you.
He's up there. He's all the way up there. Oh my God.
I love you, Molly. I need to make sure it's safe for you. And so I've traveled all the way to my capybara plus 10 level, but I dare not go in without you. I know the road will be treacherous.
I'm level 10, bitch! I'm coming!
Congratulations, Molly. You and I can go to the world together. I dare not go alone.
Are you at the bridge? Are you at the bridge?
I'm at the bridge, Molly.
I see you at the bridge over there. I'm coming.
Come, Molly. I'll wait for you at the bridge so we may cross into the new world together. Wait, we're gonna have to leave them. Wait, one's trying to grab you. Molly, get out of there, Molly! Run! Run, Molly! They're after you. They're trying very hard to get your capybara booty. Run, Molly!
I'm coming!
Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly.
I'm coming.
Come on, we need to leave.
Hurry up.
Molly, quickly! Dear God, they're right on your tail.
I'm here!
Let's go, Molly, quickly! Come on. Come on. Come on!
You guys can't go past the sign.
Oh no!
Goodbye, everybody.
Look at them all.
Let's just go, narrator, and see what lies ahead.
We are capybaras, yeah.
We can go up here now, man. We can go up to the rock.
Holy shit! It's literally a Lion King reference. How much food do we get
Only
for
10.
that?
Only 10.
Holy shit, Molly! Molly, over here.
Oh, what do you drag me all the way over here for?
Look.
What?
This.
What?
This is the ultimate food. Eat this. Yes.
Oh
yes,
my
Molly.
God.
We can grow ever strong. I love how our family is just in the background watching us do this.
There's a cave.
Wait, what?
Oh wait, never mind. It's just a hole.
Oh,
what the f is this? Eat. There's a plant in here.
There's a plant?
Oh my God, it gives you 100.
Holy shit. So essentially what you're saying is we're gonna become capybara gods.
We are capybara daddies.
Whoa, I've never been a daddy before. That's not true.
Oh wait, look at this big cave up here, bro. There's a bigger cave.
There's another cave? Where are you at?
Oh my God, I'm in a longer tunnel.
Where'd you go?
I am at the top. There's a what is this? A smelted snowman!
What? Where are you? Oh, right here. Okay. I see you.
And over here is diamonds.
Wait, Molly, I'm coming. Not physically, but I'm almost there. Why is there a melted snowman? What is with this man?
Turn around, narrator.
What? Oh my God,
20.
there's diamonds.
Level 20 plus.
Level 20 plus? Wait, does that mean we get to eat diamonds? Are we gonna be the richest capybaras in the world. Where they're gonna be, our teeth are gonna have more shine to it than most nowadays rappers.
I am gonna end my video right here.
Yep.
If you want to see us progress and become bigger capybaras, then leave a like, and we will.
Yeah, if you want to watch me and Molly apparently be capybaras, get this video at least 20,000 likes and I'll think about it. Alright, bye everyone.